Hello, it's Friday, July 6th. I'm Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast news. A bearish outlook across the board today for all our major currency pairs. The euro dollar is below daily pivot, which indicates further fall towards support S1, where we can expect a short consolidation. Break below first support will open way to the next objective at S2 support, where a subsequent upward move will be in favor. The dollar yen will probably fall below daily pivot and then retest support S1. But a few indicators suggest consolidation, and in this case price could fall slightly below daily pivot, then rebound and continue in a lateral move. Also, consolidation between daily pivot at resistance R1 isn't excluded, and it is important to watch the indicators signals. The sterling dollars will probably retest daily pivot and then will move downwards towards support S1. Break below this level is possible, but price will probably reach only S2 support, and then another consolidation or rebound will also be in favor. Finally, dollar franc will retest daily pivot soon, and a correction could possibly approach support S1. If price rebounds earlier before breaking this level, we can expect it will rise and target will be at R1 resistance. But in the second case, breaking below support will confirm a downward move, and the objective will be support S2. First news is about Swiss CPI, which stagnated last month at 0%, and analysts are expecting now deflation at minus 0.3%. This statistic will publish later at 8:15 a.m. GMT, which will have a high impact on the franc. Next news will be released at 9:30 a.m. GMT. Office for National Statistics is going to report UK PPI input. In previous report, PPI fell to minus 2.5% and is now expected to fall, but only to minus 2.1%. Moreover, it will have a high impact on the cable. Today, we can expect figures about U.S. non-farm employment change published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics at 1:30 p.m. GMT. Most analysts expect an increase from the previous rise of 69,000 to 97,000 in employed people. The same bureau will be at the same time show new monthly figures about U.S. unemployment rates, which is expected to be at 8.2% as it was in the previous report. Both news from the U.S. will have a high impact on the dollar. Now a short summary of the best traders and strategies available here at Axiory. Tesla strategy is holding at first place and was able to increase slightly by 22.2 pips. On the other hand, second, DB intraday fell slightly and now stands at 439 pips. Sphinx in third place remained without any change at 896.3 pips. FX multiplier was able to rise by 0.08% in monthly gain to 31.76% in total. India rose on the downside, fell slightly by 0.27%, and low risk invest is holding at 24.81% at third position. 42% rise recorded LW trading in trade leaders, while Johnny Jing fell by 3%, as Whitestone Asset as LW trading was able to rise and gain 2%. And on this date, in 1928, the first all-talking motion picture was shown in New York. And the world's largest hailstone at 1 pound, 0.45 kilo, 17 inches, 43 centimeters, falls in Potter, Nebraska. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Axiory. Goodbye.